Hi guys. So share ko lang, earlier I was able to watch the movie of Catherine and Alden, which is the Hello Love Again. And I can say tama sila. This movie is actually better or mas maganda sa part 1 which is the Hello Love Goodbye because daming revelations guys. Sobrang galing ng dalawa and masasabi kong as an actor sobrang pinakita talaga nila na deserve nila yung success nilang dalawa guys. And also sobrang gustong-gusto ko na pinakita nila yung life ng isang OFW na hindi madali magtrabaho sa ibang bansa lalo't malayo tayo sa ating pamilya. Kaya sana ma-appreciate natin sila guys. Hindi ko pwede share dito yung buong kwento and sa mga hindi pa nakapanood syempre ayaw natin maging spoiler. But yeah, please guys do watch Hello Love Again. And masasabi ko worth it yung babayaran nyo.